Hi, welcome to Preset Store. In this video, I will show you how to edit the night portrait filter using Lightroom Mobile. Here is some example of the photo using the filter. Before we get started, kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell to be the first one to get an update from Preset Store. Thank you. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Light, Exposure to +0.2. Contrast to +15. Highlight to -70. Shadow to +100. White to -25. Black to +25. Next, go to Curve. Copy the example as shown. Great. Now, go to Color. Temp to -5. Tint to +5. Vibrance to +25. Saturation to +10. Then, go to Color Mix. Red. Luminance to +30. Orange. Luminance to +30. Yellow. Luminance to +30. Green. Luminance to +10. Aqua. Luminance to +30. Blue. Hue to -40. Luminance to -30. Purple. Luminance to +30. Magenta. Luminance to +30. Next, go to Effect. Clarity to -15. Dehaze to +40. Now, go to Split Tone. For highlight part, hue to 80 and saturation to 5. For shadow part, hue to 360 and saturation to 20. And balance to +30. Next, go to Details. Noise reduction to 21. Color noise reduction to 21. Awesome. You have done a great job. Now, copy preset setting and apply to others. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and share. And subscribe this channel for more video in the future.